In this video, we are going to see how we can hide all of the Facebook photos in one click. It's a very straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just click on the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon of yours. And then on the left hand side, you will see the hamburger icon within the profile. So click on that on the left hand side, and that will show you the settings and privacy option. Click on that and head over to the settings again. And from here, if we scroll down a little bit, under the audience and visibility, you will see this option right here, profile and tagging. Click on that. And here you can see who can see your post you're tagged into your profile. So it's currently set to either friends or friends of friends. You click on that and we simply change it to only me. That means whatever is on my Facebook profile page, whether it's tagged by someone else or whether it's shared, all of them will only be visible to me. That means it will hide it completely from my Facebook. So click on save, and that is especially useful if your friends share some of the tagged photos and videos that you don't want your family members to see. So here's how you can completely hide it in one click. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.